Lưu Phục Linh.
Đấy, vợ vậy đó Ness.
Patricia.
Patricia. Okay, Mr. Wu Fok May I know why you are here?
I want to marry my wife, Papichaya Tikam.
You agree with him?
Yeah.
Is that true?
Yes.
Definitely.
왜 마윈에 디 오케노 주의하회 텐션
Mama feel very touching. Say, wishing us love forever. This very touching already. Okay.
I hope you are take care of my daughter and all my life. I have one girl. You must take care of her.
Sure, Mommy.
So you must remember one more thing. If she said that I'm fine, she's not fine actually. Is that true? Okay, so you must read between the lines. But then, if he said that I am hungry, he is hungry because men's is very straightforward. Betul tak?
Betul.
Kan? Men's is very straightforward. Mr. Lu Fok Lang and Papichaya Tekawong. Take notice that a solemnization of your marriage before the witness estate present according to law. Consent to be legally married for to each other, and this marriage cannot be dissolved in your lifetime except by the valid judgment of the court. If he don't shall during the lifetime of the other contract another marriage, howsoever and wheresoever solemnized, while this marriage subsists, you will deny the committing an offense against the law. Is that clear to you?
Yes.
And hang. Okay, Mr. Lu Fok Lang, do you take Miss Papichaya Tekawong to be a lawful wedded wife?
Yes, I do.
Yes. Okay. Miss Papichaya Tekawong, do you take Mr. Lu Fok Lang to be a lawful wedded husband?
Yes, I do.
Can you hear that?
Yes.
By the authority vested in me, I, on behalf of the government, happy to declare that your marriage is now registered. And you are now husband and wife. Congratulations.
Okay, 3 seconds.
Second.
Okay, go.